This is Science Day 30, Week 34, Day 3. And our learning target for today is I can plan and carry out an investigation to gather evidence from observations that energy can be transferred from place to place by sound, light, heat, and electrical currents. So you're going to go, this is some reading to do that you will start with. Both of those have reading that you can, they both have the thing that will read to you. You can read, there's another one, another set of texts there that you can read. And then there's a question. So this is a question similar to what you might find on this science test. The high school marching band is deciding what color shirt to buy for their uniforms. Their school colors are red, black, and white. They want a shirt color that will help them stay cool in the heat. So you're going to choose two materials you would need to gather to design an experiment about which color shirt stays coolest in the heat. So you decide which of these 4 things, you need to decide on 2 of them that you will check. So put a check mark by the 2 items that you need to gather. So the first student designs an experiment to test out which color. He places the red shirt in the sun and measures the temperature at 10:30. Then he removes the red shirt and places a black shirt and measures its temperature at 11. And then removes the black shirt and places the white shirt and measures the temperature of that at 11:30. So there is something wrong with his design here. So you need to decide which of these 4 things, which of these is the thing that went wrong, and then put a circle around the letter that corresponds to your thinking. This is the same text that we just had, but now the question is what type of energy transfer is happening in this experiment. So again, you're going to take your red circle and put it around the right letter. And as has been the case lately, you can watch the teacher video at the end to see if your answers were correct. That's the end of day 3.